For today's lesson, we're going to review how you as a buyer could create your own assortment. We call these a wish list. I am already logged in to the brand I'd like to shop in RepSpark. I'm going to go ahead and start on the products page. As you see under the tab that says assortments, you can click the tab right here of select saved assortments. You have a wish list, or you could create a new assortment. For today, I'm going to create a new assortment. I'm going to call this Holiday 2024. And as you know, in RepSpark, all brands can configure their site differently. So different brands might have different options. For this brand, I can select a pricing tier, which would be US dollars, and a warehouse. I'm going to set this assortment as default and click Save. Next, what you do is use the stars at the top of each product image, and every time you select a star, the item will be added to your wish list. I have went ahead and selected some items for my Holiday 2024 assortment or wish list, as you see down here. And please note, like I said earlier, all brands are different on RepSpark. Some brands might not have this available for their buyers, and other brands will. So now to view the assortment that I have created, I'm going to click Catalogs and Assortments. And these are all of the public catalogs and assortments, but to access the one I created, I'm going to click the My Assortment tab. So as you see, these are all of the assortments I have. I can click into them, and there's a few options I can do of set permissions or set a cover. The purpose of this is to curate your buying, not within the cart. So you can go back to these assortments if you need to take a break, review your buying, and then you could add all the items to the cart, or shop individually, or even contact your rep. But this is another great feature RepSpark has for their buyers.